Hello everyone, faced with the iterative process of technology, you may need a new screen to replace the old screen. This time, I'm going to show you how to replace T5 screen with T5L screen. This is my T5 screen demo. It mainly has animation icons, variable icons, and other functions. And this is my T5L screen demo after I replaced the project. How do we replace the project? I will introduce it from two aspects, the operation steps and the practical demonstration. Go to the Steps section. The first step is to copy the T5 project. Then open the DWIN project with T5L software version 7.6. In the second step, use the DWIN ICL generator to generate the ICL files for the background and icon. These are the ICL files I will generate this time. 32 files are used as background image file, and the rest are icon files. The third step is to reselect the icon file in DWIN. So how do we do that? These are all the functions of my project. Here I have counted all the functions that need to modify the icon files. If you made your own project, you also need to count which functions need to modify the icon files. Here's an example. This is the interface of the animated icon. Select the display control, and change its icon file to 50 ICL. This table lists all the pages in my project where I need to modify the icon file. Come back here. Step 4. Modify the CFG file of the new screen. We need to set the CFG file according to the T5L DWIN Application Development Guide. Here's the download link. Turn to the Development Guide to the System Configuration section. We can see the configuration settings for the CFG file. If you don't have the CFG file for your new screen, you can ask sales to get it. It is worth noting that you need to modify the value of address 08 according to your background image file. Since I use 32 as the background image file number, I wrote 20 at address 0x08. Fifth, delete the corresponding old files. You need to delete ICO files, CFG files, and 13-14 DWIN files with Chinese characters. The last step is to save your new project, then burn the project to the T5L screen and debug it. Now, please follow me and make the replacement project. First, copy the T5 project to the T5L project folder. Then open the DWIN project with T5L software version 7.6. Then click Welcome. Click the DWIN ICL generator to generate the ICL file for the background images and icons. This is all the ICL files we need to generate. Select Directory. Then select 24 files. Click Generate ICL. Select the DWIN set folder and name it 24 file. Then repeat the above operation and generate the remaining ICL files. Then we need to reselect the icon file. Click Touch and Display Config. According to the table I gave you before. Go to page 15 and click the Display Control. Under the icon file, select 24.icl. Go to page 17 and click the Display control. Under the icon file, select 24.icl. Go to page 23 and click the Display control. Under the icon file, select 41.icl. Go to page 25 and click the Display control. Under the icon file, select 50.icl. Go to page 28 and click the Display control. Under the icon file, select 39.icl. Go to page 30. Since this is the icon rotation function, we first select the icon rotation display control. Select 35.icl. Then click the plus sign to reposition the rotation center of the icon. Then we can see the pointer icon. Next, click the slide display control, and under the icon file, select 52.icl. Then click Generate and Save. Then we need to modify the CFG file for the new screen. Open the CFG file and see if address 08 matches the number of your background image. Since my background image is 32 file, then address 08 should be written 20. You can see this is 20, so I don't need to change it. If there are other configuration changes you would like to make, you can refer to the DWIN development guide. Next we need to delete the corresponding old files. Open the DWIN set file and delete the 1314 DWIN file with Chinese characters. Then delete all the ICO files. And our replacement project is complete. Copy the DWIN set folder to the SD card for burning. Next, insert the SD card into the slot. And power up the screen. Burn the project to the screen. Blue screen showing end indicates that burning is complete. Then power off and remove the SD card. And power on again. The initial interface appears. Let's take a look at the demo of the new project. Animation icon. Variable icon. Artistic variables. 4 animations. Pop-up menu. Basic graphics. QR code. Gesture adjustment. Roll in. Bit icon. Icon rotation. Thanks for watching.